Live for the moment. This is the digital premiere of the Ferrari F8 Tributo Philippine launch. A virtual journey of Ferrari's Italian design and engineering heritage, exclusivity, and state-of-the-art sports performance. The Ferrari F8 Tributo, a celebration of excellence. To tell us about the legacy of Ferrari in the Philippines, Wellington Soon, Motostrada Chairman Emeritus.
From outstanding performance, speed and excellence, the racing legacy of Ferrari has brought a unique and exclusive experience to car enthusiasts in our country. Today we at Motostrada, Ferrari's official and exclusive dealer in the Philippines, will unveil the illustrious Italian company's latest sports car, the Ferrari F8 Tributo. And it gets its power from the revolutionary V8 engine. The thrilling performance of the V8 makes it the best engine over the last 20 years. A modern engineering feat that's uniquely Ferrari. Combined with the maximum level of usability, the Ferrari F8 Tributo evokes unique driving emotions for drivers who love it fast and exciting. With distinctive design technology, a pursuit for excellence, great motoring experience, and innovative engineering, these are what Ferrari offers to the motoring world and is now available in the Philippines. This is indeed a celebration of excellence. To own a Ferrari is beyond passion. Forza Ferrari!
To highlight the features of the Ferrari F8 Tributo, Motostrada sales manager Jose Andalong.
The Ferrari F8 Tributo's engine is the V8, the most powerful V8 engine in Ferrari history for a non-special series car. With 3.9 liters V8 turbo delivery and 720 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. At 185 horsepower per liter, it has the highest specific power for a Ferrari engine. That's zero turbo lag. Best of all, it produces an evocative, unique Ferrari soundtrack. With its state-of-the-art solutions, the highest level of aerodynamic performance is achieved. Aerodynamic efficiency has increased by 10% versus the 488 GTB. Thermal efficiency has also improved against the 488 GTB. For enhanced handling of the Ferrari F8 Tributo, a new steering wheel with reduced diameter is now in place. The new Lexan rear windscreen showcases the engine compartment and also brings a modern twist to the most distinctive design element from Ferrari's most famous V8, the F40. The interior of the car is new. There is a new dashboard design, an updated human-machine interface, a 7-inch touchscreen passenger display, in order to share the experience of driving with the passenger. Everything has been done to further enhance the connection between the driver and his car. From its exterior to interiors, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is indeed a masterpiece. Take a look at how a Ferrari F8 Tributo goes the extra mile with its outstanding performance.
Here is now Motostrada President Modi Leomis Jr.
Here in Motostrada, we are geared towards uplifting the Ferrari tradition in the Philippines. Ferrari's passion is more than just the intricate craft of building the perfect automobile, but creating extraordinary experiences for drivers as well. Our collaborative and continuous drive for excellence and guaranteed client satisfaction are what's keeping our fire burning. As the official and exclusive dealer of Ferrari in the Philippines, we fully embrace the values that Ferrari upholds. Expect that our integrity and quality of service are particularly met with the standards set by Ferrari. The iconic release of the Ferrari F8 Tributo here in our country perfectly mirrors Motostrada's direction to be the leader in automotive innovation, unafraid of using the historic past and the revolutionary future for the ever-growing and exclusive Ferrari community.
Ladies and gentlemen, Motostrada is proud to bring to you
The Ferrari F8 Tributo, a celebration of excellence.
To tell us more about the Ferrari F8 Tributo, let's welcome back Motostrada Sales Manager, Jose Andalong.
This is the Ferrari F8 Tributo. One of the highlights of the F8 Tributo is the new LED headlight design, as compact as possible and completely horizontal. The front is characterized by the S-duct, derived from Formula 1. It deflects here up over the bonnet, allowing for the greater downforce on the front axle. Above the headlights are the brake cooling intakes, which improve the airflow through the entire wheel arc. The classic twin light cluster is also a signature of the early 8-cylinder Berlinettas like the 308 GTB. Aerodynamic elements include this full-blown rear spoiler, which increases downforce considerably. The rear window is directly from the most famous V8 Ferrari, the F40. It is made out of Lexan, a much lighter material compared to glass. The interior is finished in black Nero leather with classic Ferrari cues, including the Cavallino stitch on the headrest and the blue stitching throughout the entire cabin.
It retains the classic, driver-oriented cockpit look typical of Ferrari's mid-rear engine Berlinettas. carbon fiber is always a popular option, providing that racing feel into the cabin. The steering wheel is also finished in carbon fiber, including the carbon fiber paddles and carbon fiber bridge kit. And again, the all-important shift lights, running at the top telling you when to shift gears at the optimum RPM.
The Ferrari F8 Tributo is a celebration of excellence. Live for the moment.
The virtual presentation has ended. Thank you for taking the digital journey with Motostrada and the Ferrari F8 Tributo. Time to live for the moment. For more information, follow us at Ferrari Philippines.